Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Popper's DPDP Consent widget to your Webflow website. A DPDP consent helps you display consent notices clearly and manage user communication in a more compliant and user-friendly way on your website. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper's dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar and then click Create New Widget. Now search for DPDP Consent in the widget library and open it. Once the widget editor opens, you'll see the preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. In the text menu, under Template, you can choose the type of consent layout, such as simple banner or floating. In the core message section, you can edit the main message content. In the link button section, you can enable or disable the link button and also change the link text and link URL. In the Close button section, you can enable or disable the Close button and change the button text. Next, go to the Style menu tab. Here, you can change the widget position depending on whether you selected the simple banner or floating type. In the Colors section, you can customize the background, text, link background, Close button background, and Close button text colors. In the Container Design section, you can change the shadow and shadow color. You can also customize the font size, content width, and border radius. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, the installation code will appear. Copy the code and go to your Webflow site editor. Inside the editor, add a code embed block, then paste the installation code into it and click Save and Close. After that, publish your site. Once your website is live, refresh the page and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.